Hi friends, Linda here. Let me tell you about the morning I yelled at my 6-year-old granddaughter over spilled juice because I messed up. And what happened next is actually the most important part. We were running late. She couldn't find her shoes. I'd asked 3 times. My stress was building. Then she knocked over a full glass of juice and I lost it. Why can't you just pay attention? Now we're going to be even later. Her little face crumbled. She started crying, and I felt this wave of shame. I'm writing about compassionate parenting, and I just yelled at a 6-year-old over spilled juice. But here's the thing. We all mess up. The question isn't whether you'll criticize or snap or lose your patience. The question is, what do you do after? So, here's what I did. First, I paused. I took a breath. I got myself regulated because you can't repair from a triggered state. Second, I got down on her level, physically. I knelt so we were eye to eye. Third, I took responsibility. No but, no if you had just. I said, "Sweetheart, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have yelled at you like that. You made a mistake. You knocked over the juice. That's okay, accidents happen. But I made a mistake too. I let my stress come out as anger toward you. That wasn't fair." Fourth, I affirmed the relationship. The juice we can clean up. Being late we can handle. But I don't want you to think my love for you depends on whether you spill things. I love you no matter what, even when I'm stressed and don't show it very well. She hugged me. We cleaned up together. We were late. It was fine. But here's what mattered most. She learned that adults make mistakes too, that repair is possible, that love doesn't disappear when we mess up. So if you snapped at your kids this week, and let's be honest, most of us did, you have a chance to model something really powerful. Not perfection, repair. Pause, take responsibility, and affirm that relationship. That's it. You don't have to be a perfect parent. You just have to be willing to say, "I messed up. I'm sorry. And I love you." Tomorrow's Heartlight letter goes deep on this, the full story, the research on rupture and repair, and exactly what to say when you need to make things right. Link to describe is in the description. So go there and check it out. Until then, give yourself grace. We're all learning. Talk soon.